Hi, my name is Andrei Pavlitchouk, and today I want to talk to you about bounce back ability. How bounce back ability helps you in life, in your studies, and in actually taking exams and getting that certification. Right. For me, bounce back ability is really, really important because the thing is with these exams that you take, it's really difficult sometimes, and sometimes you'll fail. So, what is bounce back ability? Bounce back ability is no matter what happens in life, it's the way you actually react to those situations and just expand and keep going forward. So you learn from whatever has happened to you in life, and then you just bounce back into whatever you want to do in the next one. So, for example, if you're looking for a new job and you're applying for jobs, and then you got rejected by some of the jobs, so that could get you demotivated, but that's your bounce back ability. The bounce back ability helps you actually bring yourself up and say, well, I'll keep applying for jobs. And then eventually you will get to an interview stage. Now you might not do so well in your interview. Well, again, you will learn from actually doing the interview, and you will bounce back to try on the next one. And eventually you will succeed in getting yourself your new job. And, that is all part of the whole bounce back ability in life. So no matter what you kind of get thrown in life, you actually bring yourself up to that. In the same way, I kind of really want to talk a bit to you about exams because for when you do the exams, they are difficult. I gotta say, it's like you might not pass the first time, so you gotta really be prepared for that. You gotta make sure that just because you may fail it doesn't mean it's wasted learning. You actually did lots of learning already, so you just gotta keep trying, and then that will really reinforce you, and it will make you passionate in such a way. I mean, for me, I did the AZ204 exam, which is a developer exam for Azure, and I found it a little bit difficult because I'm not really a C# developer, but I really wanted to, because Azure Cloud is kind of my passion. So want to learn everything I can about Azure Cloud, whether it's a developer space, a DevOps engineer space, a security space. I want to learn everything about it. And just because I found it like a struggle in learning and taking an exam, I don't see that as for naught. I see actually doing the exam and fail, it just motivates me. It just motivates me to actually bounce back and bring myself into that mode until I actually get that certification. So I will keep learning, I will keep going forward, and that's really what I want to do. So yeah, for me myself, I haven't done exams in like a couple of months because I took a little bit of a break because I wanted to start up this video, course, and I just wanted to bring myself up because I wanted to, communicate out, get my message out there. So I set up the whole video, audio. Now that was difficult in itself. I didn't get a certification out of it or anything like that, but I had to learn. Still had to learn. I always want to keep learning, so I had to learn how to actually do the video, how to do the audio, how to set up the lighting, what I needed to do in terms of recording, editing, all that kind of stuff I had to learn. So it's like, and sometimes I did the videos and they were absolute rubbish, but I ended up like just getting keep going, and I keep trying again until I actually succeed. So this is really why I wanted to talk to you about exams. Just because if you may fail, it doesn't matter. You just gotta keep learning and trying again. It's a simple message, but it really gets forgotten about at times. If you like this video, please follow me on LinkedIn. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell on YouTube. And I will see you on the next one.